Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by identifying the backup service and device because the steps differ slightly. Open Settings and go straight to Backup or the specific app. Don't waste time toggling unrelated menus. Once done, verify the account shown. If multiple accounts exist, select the one performing backups. You need this to target the right setting. Make sure you know whether backups are scheduled or continuous, since that affects whether you disable a switch or change a schedule. This sets you up to stop backups cleanly. Now you act on the controls. Toggle off automatic backup or cancel scheduled backups. This immediately halts new uploads. If the service lets you exclude folders or apps, remove items you don't want backed up to avoid manual rework. Alternatively, reduce frequency to hourly, daily, or weekly if you need partial protection. Once you change settings, force a sync update or restart the app so the service applies changes. Make sure to confirm the displayed status reads paused, off, or disabled. Finish by verifying that backups have stopped. Review recent activity or backup history and confirm no new entries. If you intend to stop permanently, clear cached backup data or delete stored archives to free space. Once done, inspect account permissions and revoke access for the service if needed. If the toggle re-enables or files still upload, sign out and sign back in, reboot device, or reinstall the app. These steps reset stuck states and resolve permission conflicts. Keep one troubleshooting tip in mind: revoke app permissions, then re-grant only the ones you want.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.